Hello everyone, today we are going to solve this math problem which x plus 2 whole power 4 is equal to 16. To find the value of x from this equation, let's have a solution. From this equation, bracket x plus 2 whole power 4 is equal to 16. Then here we take 16 to the left hand side, so it will be bracket x plus 2 bracket power of 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. Then here we make it into the power of square, so it will be bracket x plus 2 bracket 4 is same as 2 into 2, this 2, then bracket this 2 minus 16 is same as 4 to the power 2 is equal to 0. Now here it is in the form of difference of 2 square. So we will apply this rule: a square minus b square is equal to bracket a minus b bracket times a bracket a plus b bracket. So we will apply this rule from here. Here a is equal to bracket x plus 2 bracket whole square and b is equal to this 4. So it will be then bracket x plus 2 bracket square minus 4 then bracket times then bracket x plus 2 then bracket whole square plus 4 then bracket is equal to 0. Now from here we have two solution. This is first solution of this equation and then second solution of this equation. So it will be the first solution bracket then bracket x plus 2 whole square minus 4 then bracket is equal to 0. To solve the first solution, we take to the right side. So it will be x bracket x plus 2 whole power 2 is equal to 4. We apply square root on both sides, plus minus square root, then this square root. This square and this square root are cancelled. So it will be bracket x plus 2 bracket is equal to plus minus square root 4, it is 2. Then here this give us two solution. The first solution x plus 2 is equal to plus 2. So it will be x is equal to, we take to the right side 2 minus 2. So it will be x is equal to 2 minus 2, it is 0. So the first solution of the value x1. Now for the second solution, this x2 is equal to minus 2. This 2 to the right side minus 2. So it will be x2 is equal to this minus 2, it is minus 4 of the value x2. Now the second solution, this second solution equation bracket then bracket x plus 2 then bracket whole power 2 plus 4 then bracket is equal to 0. Then here we take 4 to the right side. So it will be then bracket x plus 2 whole power 2 is equal to negative 4. So it will be apply the square root on both sides. So it will be bracket x plus 2 then bracket square. This square root is equal to plus minus this square root minus 4. Then here this square root and this square are cancelled. So it will be x plus 2 is equal to plus minus this square root are separate. This square root 4 into minus 1. So it will be x plus 2 is equal to plus minus 4. This square root are separate. This square root 4 into this square root minus 1. Then here, so it will be x plus 2 is equal to plus minus square root of 4. It is 2. into this square root minus 1, it is I. Then it will be x plus 2 is equal to plus minus 2I. So it will be x is equal to, we take 2 to the right side, plus minus 2I minus 2. So our final answer of the value x, we have two complex solution. This x1 is equal to plus 2I minus 1, and this x2 is equal to minus 2I minus 2. The first solution and the second solution are complex. Now let's check the our answer. This x1 is equal to 0. Put the value of x1. So it will be bracket 0 plus 2, then bracket whole power 4 is equal to 16. So it will be 0 plus 2, it is 2, whole power 4 is equal to 16. Then it will be 2 to the power 4, it is 16 is equal to this 16. So our final answer. So the left hand side and the right hand side are equal, so then it is correct solution. Now the second solution, x2 is equal to minus 4. Put the value of this equation, so it will be bracket minus 4 plus 2, then bracket whole power 4 is equal to 16. So it will be bracket minus 4 plus 2, it is minus 2, and then whole power 4 is equal to 16. So it will be minus 2 whole power 4, it is 16 is equal to this 16. So the left hand side and the right hand side are equal, then it is correct solution of this problem. Now these all solution, this x1 is equal to 0, this x2 is equal to minus 4, this x3 is equal to plus 2I minus 2, then this x4 is equal to minus 2I minus 2. These are complex solution and these are real solution. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.